One, two, three.
Sabay pa kami.
Hi everyone, I'm Jean.
Hi, I'm Mayaka.
Hi, I'm Angelica. Hello, I'm Audrey.
And I'm Marielle.
And we are Wing! One cast. It's everyone's choice.
Hello to our Winkies! Thank you so much for your support sa amin since day one. Grabe, hindi ito magiging posible kung hindi dahil sa inyo. So we love you so much, Winkies, and thank you so much!
Say. Maraming salamat po!
You can definitely look forward to our upcoming song!
Wow.
And ito pong track na to, super excited po kami to share it with you. Yes, and also we have been preparing something for a year now. So, mag-release na rin kami ng album this year. So far po, yung most exciting part is yung kapag nakakasama po namin yung Winkies namin to connect with our supporters, and also yung meeting other artists and other idols. It's super fun din po to make friends and to connect with other people. And also po, super exciting din po yung nakikita po namin yung growth namin as a group. Super grateful po kami sa mga opportunities and blessings po na binibigay po sa amin ni Lord. And ayun, nakakatuwa po makita po yung growth ng isa't isa. I mean, nasa artist po kasi medyo yung height namin medyo, hindi na siya, parang medyo konti pa. So, for us po, actually, I think parehas naman po yun. But, for us po, I think, for us po, second chance po talaga yung make sa amin kasi nanggaling nga po kami sa different competitions, and actually, yung wing po, siya po yung nag-ignite ng spark namin ulit, and na-push po kami mag-try again sa games po namin, and actually, just by being part of wing, parang for us, it's a win na po. So we're very, very thankful and grateful po sa lahat ng opportunities po na nakukuha namin, and for the opportunity na naging part po natin.
What she said.
Ayun, sana po, wish din po namin na through our message po, sana po, yung mga tao po na nakikinig sa music namin ay magkaroon ng lakas ng loob para i-try ulit yung mga bagay na iniwan nila sa past. To add them po, siguro in 2 words, yun po anong answer to your
That's very nice. Kamukha mo yung star.
ng fans ko.
And to add lang din po, yung wing po, parang for me, it's all about connecting with people, with fans. And since yung mga performances namin, every stage feels really special dahil hindi lang po kami nag-perform. We get to connect with people, nakakamit po kami ng iba't and ang dami po namin na-inspire.
Sorry, matapang mo kasi ano dyan.
Ako din eh. Siya parang may baka sa gilid. May baka sa gilid. Connection.
Kahit sila ikaw, tusog trap. Tusog trap.
Diba?
Ayun po, I'm very thankful. Na-express ko naman ang sarili namin sa way. Thank you po.